Cryptocurrency markets traded lower on Monday as the impact from the dramatic collapse of FTX continues to ripple throughout the market. So, if we talk about Bitcoin, which hovered around $16,000 levels, as a result of the total market capitalization dropped below $800 billion. So, as we speak, the FIFA World Cup has begun. Investors' focus has shifted towards fan tokens separately. If we're talking about, there are a few fan tokens that are gaining traction as we are approaching the FIFA World Cup. So, with Crypto.com announcing to be an official sponsor for the FIFA this year, the cryptocurrency market is expected to get massive exposure going forward when this is actually a 100-day event, and we have to see how this cryptocurrency market reacts to this World Cup as well. So, IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 5% at 23,400 points. So, a concern over FTX and its ripple effect, and there are broader implications, which are attached to the FTX and the larger exposure as we speak. So, there are a lot of fund managers who are actually concerned about the exposure, which the investment that has actually come into FTX and its impact and the outlook on that investment going forward. So, according to, if we talk about the tokens that are in action because of the FIFA World Cup, is a KU coin reported a 48% of its football fans among these crypto investors are interested. Actually, this is a report which they have cited that investors are actually interested in trading fan tokens for sports team during the ongoing FIFA World Cup. That is a report, and it is noted that around 35% of the football fans among crypto investors have traded NFT in the past 6 months, and 42% of them are interested in investing in NFTs, which is sports NFTs to be precisely. So, the global cryptocurrency market was trading sharply lower, which is below $800 or $800 billion at $794 billion after losing a lot of steam, which has actually gathered from the FTX mayhem, which has actually impacted the broader cryptocurrency market, and the impact we have seen, which has drilled down in the US stock markets as well. So, crypto-related stocks are also under hammer because of the exposure which is related to the FTX. However, the total trading volume jumped 84% at $63 billion. The cryptocurrency market has come under pressure over the last 2 weeks as a problem at major exchange. Once the third largest cryptocurrency or the digital currency exchange, FTX, which has impacted the overall sentiments, the buyer sentiments drastically. So, if you talk about the overall market, we have seen a broad-based selling, and as we speak, Bitcoin is down 7% to 10% in the last 7 days. Ethereum has also seen a broad-based selling. There are also reports that some hacking event which has actually happened in FTX has seen the hacker has actually sold Ethereum and it has been converted into Bitcoin. And there are a lot of things that are happening in the Bitcoin arena as well, wherein the Bitcoin institutional investors have actually been accumulating Bitcoin for a much longer duration as far as the long-term investment is concerned. So, the CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, recently reaffirmed that Bitcoin's resilience against the steadfast crypto winter, and he is actually optimistic about it. And CZ also tweeted on Sunday that Bitcoin is not dead, and we are still here. That's what he had mentioned. So, this helped bolster crypto investors' confidence, and that's what the analysts are saying. The S&P 500 futures fell ahead of another batch of retail earnings to kick off the shortened weekend. So, however, the futures tied to the broad market index were trading lower by 0.3%. Dow Jones Industrial Average were lower by 84 points or 0.25%. Nasdaq 100 futures were trading lower by 0.33%. Bitcoin was seen trading at around $16,000, down over 4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 7.5%, trading at $1,116. So, if you talk about the other altcoins, Binance BNB on the left was down by 5.2% at $257. Polygon Matic was trading down by 7.6% at $0.79. Solana Sol was down 8.5% at $11.7. So, after a broad-based selling, because triggered by the FTX, Solana has actually taken a breather, but still trading lower on concerns on its outlook, as traders are less optimistic about investment and investors are keeping away from this from this token. So Cardano's ADA token was down by 6.5% to trade at $0.30. So Input Output Global, the firm behind Cardano's blockchain, is releasing a new data protection and privacy-centric blockchain and accompanying tokens. So Charles Hoskinson has actually mentioned Midnight, the blockchain, is one of the side chains running on the Cardano and will offer zero-knowledge Pro of the smart contracts, which allow participants to complete transaction without disclosing any identifying data to each other. So this is actually, this is supposed to be a very interesting point going forward at a time when investor confidence is at rock bottom. So how this is going to pump prime their confidence, this is a matter of time. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 10% at $0.075. So the optimism after the Twitter deal, which we have seen in the Doge, is actually coming off, and it's consolidating near that level. So Shiba Inu was trading down by 5%. So next on the list was Avalanche AVAX, was trading at $12, down by 7.3%. Ripple's XRP token was at $0.35, down by 8.3%. Polkadot was last on the list, was trading by 6.4% at $5. So that's all there is in today's Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more fundamental analysis. Thank you so much.